No, I don't think so.
Okay, so let's go to next one. Representation in trading service form. So with this form, first page, there's nothing to fill in. And second page, you'll see here. If you're representing the client, then check off on the first one. For some client that are not represented by agent, then you would check on the second one. So the first one, you just put your own agent name. And then I think Nancy's in a team, so you have to put team name and team member. And you can, if they have too many people, then just see notes below, right? And then brokerage, Luxmore Realty, same thing. And then agent signature and date. This date, you can use web form. There's a function here. And then you can click on this annotate and click here. Let's say today's date is 16 May 2021. And click on the side, click on the box again. You'll see corners, right? And drag it long enough so it'll fit on this line. And then just use DocuSign or something to sign here for the agent. And note below here, you can just copy and paste the agent disclosure into this. Agent disclosure. Or sometimes they have a separate addendum that has agent disclosure for the seller to sign. So either way will work. And here is for the client, ABC, and they had to initial here and date here. It says optional, but in our brokerage, it's a must. We must have the client initial here, so they know that they're represented by an agent.